Alright, so today's lesson is going to be dealing with a new mood for verbs. So you already know a couple of the moods for verbs. We have the indicative, we have the imperative mood, and even though it's not quite a mood, we still count it as a mood, the infinitive. So we have these three moods. We're going to add a fourth one. It's actually the only other one we add. It's called the subjunctive. Alright, so the subjunctive is our new mood. It has a whole nother set of endings, and it has certain situations that it's used in. The first one we're going to learn about is kun clauses, but that's going to be for a later lecture. Today, we're just going to learn how to form one set of these subjunctive endings. So in class, you guys should have received this chart here. It has 4 rows. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 columns. All right. So there's only 4 tenses in the subjunctive: present, imperfect, perfect, and pluperfect. This year, we're only going to have to worry about the imperfect and the pluperfect. And today, we're only going to be worrying about the imperfect. So we're only going to be filling in half of the columns in this row. You guys, we eventually will worry about active and passive, but not quite yet. So it's this row right here that says imperfect. Please, when you're filling this out, make sure you are putting it in the right column. Now, the imperfect subjunctive is super, super easy. So let's take one of our vocab words from stage 24. Let's go with consendo. We don't even need the third. We only need to worry about the second principal part. So for the imperfect subjunctive, you take the second principal part. So let's get rid of this guy, get rid of this guy. So consendere. What conjugation is consendere in again? That's right, it is the third conjugation. Yeah, I know it's like Dora, whatever. So you take the second principal part, and then you just add your endings. So, first person singular, consenderem. Consenderes, second person singular. Consenderet, third person singular. Consenderemus, first person plural. Consenderetis, second person plural. Consenderent, third person plural. That's all you have to do, is you take the second principal part, the infinitive form, and you add on the endings, M, S, T, MUS, TAS, and NT. So when we're filling in our charts, we have a couple of different columns for first, second, third, regular, third IO, and fourth. So for the imperfect, we're dealing with the imperfect row, the first conjugation, the active column, A-R-E-M, A-R-E-S, A-R-E-T, A-R-E-M-U-S, A-R-E-T-I-S, A-R-E-N-T. All right, those are what the endings are going to look like, because we've taken the second principal part. So, amo, amare, amawi, amatus. So we're taking amare, and we're adding MST, MUSTIS, NT. So, as we go down, second conjugation, active column, E-R-E-M, E-R-E-S, E-R-E-T, E-R-E-M-U-S, E-R-E-T-I-S, and then then E-R-E-N-T. Third, regular, and I-O for this one. Active columns in both. E-R-E-M, E-R-E-S, E-R-E-T, E-R-E-M-U-S, E-R-E-T-I-S, E-R-E-N-T. Then fourth, active column, imperfect row still, I-R-E-M, I-R-E-S, I-R-E-T, and I'm sure by this point some of you have skipped ahead and you've just found, you've seen me with the finished chart. That's fine. M-U-S, I-R-E-T-I-S, I-R-E-N-T. And that's it. So that's how you form the imperfect subjunctive. Take the second principal part and you add the endings M-S-T, M-U-S-T-I-S, N-T. That's all there is. Alright, so the next video you guys are going to want to watch is the video about the pluperfect subjunctive.